What is going on, you guys? It is also back with another video on the channel. So yeah, basically guys, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be having a look at the Motospeed CK61. So basically this keyboard I got about almost a month ago. Today is the 1st of January. Happy New Year to everyone and single one of you guys. Hope you guys had an amazing New Year. So basically I decided not to do an unboxing of this, but rather a review on this. There are a fair amount of unboxings of it, but not people that use it after a while and then give their opinion on it. So why not do that today? So let's get into it. So let's just start with the basics. Once you order this keyboard, this is the Motospeed CK61. You get obviously the box that just says Motospeed, live for games, their motto, and then basic, just basic packaging. You get some foam here just so the keyboard is protected throughout shipping. Then you get a keycap puller so you can clean your keyboard, and you always get the keyboard. So this is a 60% keyboard, and I've been using this for the last month. And I have my old keyboard here to have about so you can see what's the difference between the size. It's basically from control to control. So I started using this keyboard because I was looking for something that doesn't take as much space as that one, and because I play vertical keyboard. So I play like this, and it's much easier. It fits on my mouse pad. It just works much better. That's why I was looking into getting this keyboard, and a lot of people recommended 60% keyboards. That's why I was looking into getting one. So let's start about the pros and cons. I'm gonna run this through my head. There's no script, and this is not a sponsored video, by the way. It's a very good keyboard. There are a lot of good RGB functions. I mean, there's I'll show you guys now. There are a lot of different functions. You can control the speeds. You can control the brightness. It's actually super cool, and I think for the price of it is absolutely insane. You can buy the Motospeed CK61 for $41.99 on Gearbest.com, and you can get the Motospeed CK62, which is the Bluetooth and wireless version of this one, for the same exact price. I just decided to go with this one because I have had a couple of issues in the past with customs, and then stuff did not arrive. So that's why I decided to just go with the safe play and just buy the wired one. So the keyboard has a very nice feel to it, and it sounds very nice. Let's just type a bit. Here it sounds really nice, a nice mechanical feel. There are KL white box switches in this keyboard, and they're honestly about cherry red MX. The MX, whatever that key is, it's almost the equivalent to that sound. It sounds absolutely insane. Compared to this membrane, sounds much different. If you're used to a membrane, I recommend going over to a mechanical. I mean, it's obviously personal preference, but I like mechanical more. So yeah, I think it's just honestly a very compact keyboard, and it's solidly built. The only con I'd say that there is there's no you can't adjust the height of it. Like this keyboard, you can put this down so it can be more flat. This one, obviously you don't have that option. You only have one option to do that. I'd say that's the only con. The response time is very good for gaming. You can use it for general use. I think it's a good portable keyboard as well. If you're going to LANs or something like that, it's also a very good keyboard for that. So I mean, my honest opinion on it, I highly recommend this. In case of you spending $150 on a Ducky 1-2 Mini, I don't recommend it. You can buy 3 of these keyboards, and the quality is solid, and everything you get, honestly, it's just so worth it. So I highly recommend this to anyone. If you guys want to pick one up, make sure to check the link in the description. If you guys want to pick yourself up, make sure to use the link. I do get a couple of cents if you guys buy it through that, so we appreciate it. And yeah, that is my review on this keyboard. I think there are a lot of functions. I'm just gonna zoom in quickly. So here we have it. You get I don't know what all these. I'm just gonna cycle through them quickly so you guys can see what they are. Get the normal breath. Just the color fade, the one that picks up all the movement on the keyboard. This is quite a nice one. The raindrops looks very sick. Then the cross fade also looks very nice. I prefer this one most of the time. And then just like I don't know what you would call this. And then just a nice color wave with multiple colors. So yeah guys, that is my review of the Motospeed CK61. Make sure to pick your guys one up if you guys would like to get yourselves a keyboard. It's honestly worth it, 100%. Go for this keyboard, no doubt. I had a bit of doubt when I ordered it. The price was sketchy. I was like, maybe it's gonna be crap. It's not. It's absolute. For the price, it's amazing, guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. It would be mean very much. It would mean a lot, and always trying to hit that 1K mark, so make sure to subscribe. And yeah, happy New Year once again, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Black.